Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Davido and Chioma, my people. Hey, not be smart yo. You know say I felt tell and say Davido and Chioma, the way their friendship be, the way their relationship be, I know say go hard for them to scatter just like that, you know. So as I dey waka for Instagram now, I see say Davido and Chioma don finally reconcile again. I am so happy for them. I am so happy for them. I see them when they two of them they do love, they play, the happiness in Chioma, like he don't really miss Davido. Even Davido don't miss Chioma. Where? I know say Davido love Chioma. I pray say God, may they reconcile, may they settle back. Because the way two of them did, I know say they love each other well. So I am so happy for them. I am so happy for them. When I just see them together, like, oh my gosh, I was so happy. And this one be what God have joined together. I know say two of them must marry. Davido love Chioma well. He just want to play around small. He love Chioma. So for two of them to call reconcile again, I pray say they not go separate again. Yeah, because Davido don't first separate to other two of her baby mama. They not reconcile. But Chioma, oh, he really did different. Even when Chioma go post something, you go comment, but you go comment. Now there I know say no, this love, the love not be waiting somebody go feel just scatter just like that. So I am so happy for them. I am so happy for them. So my people, I'll put the video make una see. I'm gonna let me share the video. Let the video go viral, my people. Bye everybody.